Hello guys, today we're reviewing the Hyundai Hy View 32-inch curved gaming monitor, a large curved display built to deliver immersive and ultra-smooth gameplay. At 32 inches with a dramatic 1000R curve, this monitor wraps tightly around your field of view, making games feel more engaging and cinematic. The QHD resolution at 2560 by 1440 keeps visuals sharp and detailed, whether you're exploring open worlds or locked into competitive matches. Performance is where this monitor really shines. With a 200 Hz refresh rate and a fast 1 millisecond MPRT response time, motion looks fluid and responsive. Fast camera pans stay smooth, and quick reactions feel more precise, giving you an edge in high-speed titles. The IPS panel helps maintain strong color accuracy and wide viewing angles, while the matte screen finish reduces glare during long sessions. The sleek, curved design and sturdy stand also give your setup a clean, modern look. Overall, the Hyundai Hy View 32-inch curved monitor delivers immersive curvature, sharp QHD clarity, and high refresh performance in one powerful package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.